And so we're gonna set up the Tuya Wi-Fi curtain right now. So I've got it plugged in here, and I am going to press the reset button. That's this red button over here. I'm gonna press it 3 times with the included zip tie. Oops, dropped it. The included zip tie that's in the box. So we'll go 1, 2, 3. And you'll see that the motor moved a little bit. That put it in Wi-Fi setup mode. So we'll go to add in the app. And I will go to small appliances and then down to curtain. And then I will show you the first problem that we're going to run into, and you might run into. I'll confirm indicator rapidly blinks. I can almost guarantee this isn't going to work. So we'll just go ahead and speed this up. Okay, so now the reason that this doesn't work is that my phone is connected to 5G, and this device is connected to 2.4 gigahertz and only uses 2.4 gigahertz. And there's no way to force a iPhone onto 2.4 gigahertz, at least that I know of. So the only way to get these devices to talk to each other is for me to force them onto a 2.4 gigahertz network. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm back, and I have connected my phone to a wireless network that is on 2.4 gigahertz only. So now this should work. So I'm going to go take my zip tie or my twist tie and click 3 times. Add small home appliance curtain. You can see I'm on my 2.4 gigahertz network only. Confirm indicator rapidly blink. There's no indicator on this. And just like that, it adds perfectly. All right, so now it says, please set the motor limit. That's pretty neat. So we want to go to this, please set the motor limit. Or we go to more, and we set stroke limit. And it says set up. So we want to go, and we're going to pick this up. We're going to set the up limit for it. So I'm going to go to wherever I want it to go to. Press the pause button, then hit save up. Then I want to set the down position. Go to it with the down. This will be in the window fully closed, or the blind fully closed. Sure, that sounds about right. Save down, and then set middle. Let's say this is the position that I want it to open to most of the time. Save middle. All right, and now we have clear up, clear down, and clear middle, and now we're all set. So if I go back here, now I can set it to all the way down. I can set it to all the way up. And I can, of course, set it to the middle. Easy peasy.